Hello, my name is Ryli, and today I'll be showing you this Spring Sky 39 color water activated face and body paint. In this set, you have 10 artist brushes, one paintbrush that I believe is supposed to be used for like the big layers of your face, for example, big parts. This is what comes inside the box. We have the paints and the paintbrushes, decals, and a little example sheet. Now, my sister will be painting on my face using these colors.
Okay, so we use paint on our face, and we did the sun with orange in the middle and yellow and the red on the triangles on the sides. And we're gonna take it off. There we go. There's a cute little sun right there. Here we have another decal, but instead on the body. And we're gonna use the colors here. I have my water right, and then I'm gonna paint on the palette. I think we're done. See the end result. We love this Spring Sky 39 color face paint with decals, paintbrushes, and yeah. Thank you for listening and watching our video.
Goodbye.
Bye.
If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.